The goldfish, which is native to East Asia, was introduced in North America in the 17th century. Since then, it's now been found throughout Canada and also throughout Quebec. It lives in very high salinity areas, and it has a tolerance for turbidity, also low oxygen levels and low temperature. It lives in rivers, ponds, pools, and also lakes with dense vegetation. It measures between 13 to 25 centimeters, and it's variable in coloration, can be olive green to orange, and you may also find black spots on the skin. They have terminal mouths without barbels and a thick spine on the anal and the dorsal fin. The goldfish has a very high fecundity rate, so it grows very rapidly. It reduces space and food for native aquatic organisms, so it's a potentially strong competitor. And it suspends sediments in the water, which increases water turbidity, which prevents plant growth. And it's also a potential carrier for harmful diseases. In order to prevent and control the goldfish from spreading, we have to avoid putting them, especially live fish, in lakes, rivers, or streams. Inspect and remove animals or plants from boats. Also learn to identify the goldfish and clean boats and avoid ballast water from transferring to different bodies of water. The goldfish feed on algae, zooplankton, phytoplankton, insect larvae, fish, eggs, and small fish. So it has a very diverse diet.
One of the problem of this species is its large capacity of reproductions, and it can grow very fastly. In only 10 years, they can reach more than 70 centimeters long. It can be a very large fish. And one of the main concern, I have a personal adventure who arrived me in the Eastern Township. There was a lake here, and they take a water sample with very large amounts of phosphorus, and they don't know what was the origin of that phosphorus, because all the septic tanks was okay. There is no problem of pollutions, but the quantity of phosphorus was really high, and they don't know why. But I climbed at a small stream, and I found uh, a pond, and the water was like full of milk. The water was almost white. And when I was in this pond, uh, I found a very large goldfish inside it, and I learned that a student, before she go to the university, she released about 20 goldfish they have at his cottage, and the goldfish survived, and there was they take a very large size, and they produce a large amount of phosphorus by the dejections, because they eat a lot of organic matters, and when they what's called digérer,
Digest.
when they digest it, they release phosphorus in very large quantities. But that was the source of the pollution of
Wow.
that lake.
That's
Yeah,
interesting.
it was really special. But anyway, they eat all the larvae, eggs, and all the small animals living at the bottom of lakes and rivers. And at some place, it can be a problem.
Hopefully, did you get rid of the goldfish eventually?
Pardon me?
Did you eliminate the goldfish? You kill them?
You know what? The association took all the goldfish and put it in golf courses in the ponds in the golf course, and the ponds was completely isolated. There's no river, no exit, and they still live in the ponds in that golf course.
Oh, that was a good solution.
Yeah, it's a good solution.